Okay, so the next question we have is integral of, and basically I think this is question number 5. Correct? I think this is question number 5. Right, so the question we have is cos x minus sin x and multiplied by 2 plus 2 sin 2x dx and divide by cos x plus sin x. Right, so we have to do this. So first see cos x minus sin x we will write as cos x minus sin x, and from here I can take 2 common, and this 2 I am writing here because this 2 has nothing to do with integration process, and I can write here 1 plus sin 2x dx, right, and divided by cos x plus sin x, right. Now this one can be written as, we can write this one because we know the value of sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So this one we can change to, this one I can write as sin square x plus cos square x, and this sin 2x can be written as what? 2 sin x cos x. We know the formula, that is simply it is 2 sin x cos x, right. In the next step we will see the benefit, what is the benefit of changing this in that form, cos x plus sin x, right. Now see the benefit, it becomes in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is nothing but a plus b whole square. So I will write it here cos x minus sin x, and this complete I can write as cos x plus sin x whole square and divided by what? Divided by cos x plus sin x, right. Now you see in the denominator also we have cos x plus sin x, and in the numerator also we have cos x plus sin x square. This square will cancel this part. Now we have something a minus b and a plus b. So it simply become what? A minus b and a plus b. This I can write simply as a square. It is nothing but cos square x and minus of sin square x. Right? And we know cos square x and minus sin square x can be written as what? Cos 2x. So we have reached to the simplified version, and it is nothing but cos 2x. Now cos 2x, we have to find the integral of only cos 2x, that is nothing but sin 2x by 2. So I will write here 2 sin 2x by 2 and plus c will be there. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Final answer we will get as sin 2x plus c. I hope this is clear for everybody. Sin 2x plus c.